Welcome back to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to take a look at a new style release by Wig Pro Wigs USA in their Style Unveiled collection. This is Gloria in 22-101 R8. You're really going to love some of the brand new features. Wig Pro has really stepped up with some beautiful heat-friendly fiber and upgraded caps. Remember, you can find this one right here at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box, there'll be a direct product link there. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Andrea is doing live presentations every week. Gloria is in the color 22-1001 R8. And I just wanted to show you the packaging here. I've already unboxed this one. I haven't done anything to it, but I wanted to give you an idea of what this packaging looks like. There it is, right in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and grab it. Gloria is a short, voluminous bob style cut with some bouncy volume. It is just gorgeous. Now this color 22-1001 R8. So it's a combination of some gold blondes, some medium gold blonde, some lighter gold blonde, maybe some honey in there. And then the root is rather interesting. I think there's an effort going into making these roots just a little lighter. By popular request. Now this one has a little bit of a powdery toned down look to it, and you can see it blends in beautifully. So let's look at the inside cap of Gloria before I try it on for you. This is amazing. This is the first time that I've tried on a fully hand-tied wig style by Wig Pro Wigs USA. And I think it rivals some of the best that we see from other brands as well, like Raquel Welch, Gabor. So there is your temple-to-temple lace front and a seam adjoining the single monofilament top. Each one of these knots are hand-tied, one at a time. That's going to help it give it a more natural-looking feel, look, and movement. A closed ear tab. And then in the back, we have a standard nape with Velcro style adjusters, hand-tied panels, stretchy hand-tied panels all the way around. A little bit of integrated wefting at the back just to give the cap a little additional support. So let's talk about the fit real quick, and I'll make any adjustments that I need to, and then we'll head into the review. Now this is an average size, and on Wig Pro it fits pretty average based on my experience, but we're going to check this out. Okay, oh, it is so gorgeous. I can't wait to get my fingers in this and work it a little bit. So it fits me great. I have a petite average circumference, as you know. I'm pretty much petite from ear to ear and front to back. I don't sense any baggy cap. I feel like there would be a slight amount of give to it, meaning that it's probably truly average. So if you have anywhere from a 21 1/4 like me up to a 22 1/4, 22 1/2, I think you will be satisfied with this cap. Oh my goodness, where do I begin? I mean, it looks cute right out of the box, but I mean, you're going to want to get your hands in it, right? So chic. Look at this movement. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love a nice, voluminous, wavy bob style. And the fact that it's monofilament and hand-tied, I can have a multitude of parting options and style designs. It's about 8.5 here in the front and about 11 inches overall. You'll see some bountiful curly wave in the back. And so recently Wig Pro has introduced a brand new fiber, and that is heat friendly. So it's the Advanced Blend Heat Friendly Synthetic, and it feels gorgeous. Each one of these fibers is really soft, silky, and fine. It rivals, let's just say, Raquel Welch and Belle Tress. It feels beautiful. You can use your heat tools on this fiber up to 360 degrees. So that's going to give you some additional versatility in your styling. Gloria weighs about 3 ounces. It feels really lightweight on the head, and I really attribute that to a well-fitting cap. Now the density on this one, it does have some nice density. You need that to create this beautiful buoyancy. So even though there's a little bit of a thicker density on this one, you're not getting any permatease. Remember, there is hand-tied features all throughout this cap. So there's not any of that bottom tease, that pillowy, soft permatease there.